A lot of people ask me what is the most important skill in one's career, and I would say that that skill is none other than sales. Now, it might look very superficial if you look at it, but it's a very deep concept. Everything in your life is a sale in some way or the other. If you are going for a job interview, you're trying to sell to the interviewer that I am worthy of getting selected in your company, that my skills, my resume, my abilities are the best. That is what you're trying to sell. You're selling your resume, your abilities, and your skills, right? If you're running a company, then you're trying to sell to the customers that my product is the best, you should take it. It will enhance your life or whatever your product is doing. So this is also a sales. If you're a speaker, if you are a leader, then your job is to sell your vision, sell your leadership to the people that I am worthy of being followed, I am worthy of being heard. This is important for influencers and for politicians and for people who want to lead someone in a team project or company or whatever, right? So that is the most important skill according to me. If you learn how to sell well your personality, your product, your abilities, whatever, then you can succeed in life. If you can succeed in selling your personality, you can become a great influencer, you can become a great leader. If you can sell products well, you can become a great entrepreneur, you can become a great businessman. If you can sell your resume well, if you are able to convince people using your communication skill that you are good, you can get hired at any company you want. This is a very underrated skill and a lot of people ignore it. A lot of people think कि भाई sales का मतलब तो भाई salesman go रहा है. No, it is not. It is not that simple as it looks. It is a very deep concept and I urge everyone to learn sales. One of the best ways to learn sales is by trying to sell something in real. Okay. So it is not easy to land interviews क्योंकि interviews are a real life event. तुम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हो कि भाई इंटरव्यू में जाके गूगल में जाके बैठ गए कि आई एम ट्राइंग टू प्रैक्टिस सेल्स. You cannot do that, right? That is the final round, right? That is the final thing. So you can, one of the best ways to practice sales is by trying to sell a product. Okay, trying to start some kind of a business. It could be something as simple as a freelance agency. If you must be good at some skill, right? आपको हो सकता है graphic design आता हो सकता है coding आता हो. So just try to pitch to someone कि भाई मुझे ये काम आता है, can I work at your company as a freelancer? You can even offer to work for free for the starting. क्योंकि इससे क्या है कि यार एक बार network establish होता है, right? And one of the best ways to learn sales and to learn entrepreneurship in general is to take AcadBoost entrepreneurship course. It costs only a few ₹100. It is taught by me personally and I will teach you a lot of sales skills on how to build your own company, how to build your own social media empire, how to build your own freelance agency, all of those things because I've done them myself personally. You all know it and it will teach you a lot. A lot of people are studying from it and it is a way to fast track this whole journey of learning sales. All right. So that was it about the video. So let me know what you think of this. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I post a lot of content related to entrepreneurship, related to tech, related to career, related to business. And you should definitely check out AcadBoost app where you can get all these courses to enhance your skills for just mere hundreds of rupees. And it will be really beneficial for your career and especially the entrepreneurship course if you are interested in increasing your skills in sales. Thank you for watching this video. All the best. Bye.